So, blockchain airdrop snapshots is slated for November 18. Turn on notifications and share with your community. All right, so you're welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be talking about blockchain. Remember, blockchain, we got some doc token in the to market farming pool and by staking. And so here in the app, they're going to be carrying out the snapshots on the 18th of November. And what should you do? Now, what should you know? You want to watch this video to the end. Is very straight and direct. So here in the blockchain app, and if you are yet to get started with blockchain, you can check in the description of this video for a link to get started right now. So you just come here, you play now. So as you tap on play, now coming here, you get stars. All right, it's a star season airdrop. So you also can get airdrop NFTs, and you also you carry out activities in the testnet, transactions in the testnet. All right, for blockchain, more like blockchain. So here, first step one here is to deposit Telegram star to receive blockchain test star. Okay, you can actually do that, or you can use the faucet. If you tap here to deposit, what it will request for you is to put Telegram stars. All right, you connect your wallet and deposit Telegram stars. Okay, you can see the instructions here. On your first deposit, you receive 5 mint attempts and 1 star doc NFT as rewards. Then get free star token test token equal to your deposit for gas in blockchain testnet. Then your deposited star will be fully credited on the mainnet after the testnet. So whatever you carry out on the testnet in the blockchain testnet will be transferred. Your end stars or deposited star will be transferred to your to the mainnet when eventually they launch. Okay, now you can deposit star. If you tap here now, you will be required to deposit Telegram star. All right, so you can deposit it, and after everything is still going to become yours in the blockchain. All right, now if you come to testnet again, let's go to testnet again. On the testnet, if you scroll up here, now you can actually go to faucet here, and the faucet in the blockchain testnet. This is the faucet where you can receive ton coin. That's the testnet ton coin. It's not original. It's not real ton coin. You just send me ton. Now I already received 0.002. All right. Now blockchain testnet faucet. Connect your wallet to confirm your blockchain address. Each Telegram user can claim ton test tokens every 24 hours. Use your ton test tokens to participate in our testnet activities. Now I've got 0.002. Now I can't get again another one right now. I have to wait for 24 hours. So because if I tap on send me now, look at what it will show. Fail. Sorry. To be fair to all users, we only send 0.001 blockchain ton every 24 hours. Please try again after 14 hours, 10 minutes from your original request. So you get that. So that's what that one is about. So you can flip down. So step 2 is to mint doc NFT. So use star as gas to drive into Web3 with zero barriers. Every star user will receive an exclusive NFT airdrop. So here is for free, but then you can see it's not active for free minting. Mint with star free, but then mint with ton. The ton you receive there, if you tap on there here now, mint with ton. Remaining 3 minutes, you can see the value list. So here you sign message blockchain testnet. This app requests your original signature to continue. Confirm. So okay, it's working. Doc of Lumos accept. So that's the NFT I got here now. So you can see, so I have 2 remaining mints. So I can still mint again. You can see the first one I've minted here now. So let's go ahead again and mint. That's the second step. So these are the activities you carry out in the blockchain testnet so that you'll be able to get the blockchain airdrop. So go again. All right. Dock of layer bank, accept. So I've got the second NFT, mint doc NFT. Okay, so minted doc NFT. So I've got the second NFT minted. So let's mint the next one, the third one. Okay, so go ahead. Remember, all these are in the test net, not the main net. Okay, so finally the third one, dock of gate wallet. So I've done all. So now step 3, invite friends to get more doc NFTs. So this is where you can invite your friends. For every 5 friends successfully invited during the event, you will earn 1 additional mint chance for extra docs. Okay, so invite your friends and that is it. So, and you can actually check all this in the OKX Explorer, right? If I tap on here now, so that's the minting activities now. Now, for you to access this, you will need a VPN. All right, so let me quickly connect VPN. Okay, so I'm back here now. So we just head over here, go to OKX Explorer. So you can see now it's opening. So you use VPN to access that. So you can actually check your transactions here, though this is the test net, not yet the main net. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so those are the steps to take. So the next thing here, go over to Earn section. So there are tasks to carry out here. Complete these tasks, and for each of these you carry out, you get some doc points. Go to social, go to academy, and go to events. So you complete this and earn some doc. The event is coming soon, but academy, social, and daily, you can complete the tasks there and get some doc points. All right, so star, let's go to star. So under star here, we checked this before, where you just we want to find out what is SaaS. So you just tap on this question sign here. Telegram SaaS. Telegram SaaS enable payments for digital goods in the Telegram ecosystem and can be purchased via in-app purchases or bots like premium bots. Now, deposited stars can now cover gas fees in the blockchain testnet without spending with the same amount available on the mainnet. So now when you put in your Telegram stars here, if you buy Telegram stars and bring it in here, all right, it will be it. You use them to cover gas fees in the testnet, but the same star will be deposited in your main net. Let me read through this again. On your first deposit, you will receive 5 mint attempts. So you can mint more because you are supposed to mint 24 NFTs. If you check mine, you see that I've minted 3 out of 24. We'll go back there shortly. Then get free star test tokens equal to your deposit for gas in the blockchain testnet. Your deposited star will be fully credited on the mainnet after the testnet. So when the mainnet will happen, will be updated on that. Okay, so you can get 10 Telegram stars or 50 Telegram stars or 100 Telegram stars or 200 Telegram stars as the case may be. My balance currently is 0, so I'm going to do some transaction later on. Okay, so now let's go back to this testnet, to the testnet here. So you can see here I have three NFT doc NFTs. Now out of 24, I have 3. So balance star none. Ton, I have 0.0018 that I got from the foret. So tap on details. So every doc is a co-branded NFT with our partners. The more NFTs you get, the more rewards you receive from blockchain and its partners. So these are acquired test docs. So by the time we complete it to 24, this will also serve as part of what will guarantee your airdrop in the coming mainnet launch for blockchain. Okay, so I think that this is the much you can take. But before we wrap up, here is my doc value. Okay, there is it. Okay, so here is blockchain airdrop snapshots. information. Get ready. The airdrop snapshot is set for November 18. Turn on notifications and share with your community. So get involved right now and let's play the game. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and also share this video and let's see you in the next. Thank you and God bless you.